YouTube channel. So today's video is going to be another balloon tutorial. We are going to make a Winter Wonderland balloon column. This balloon column is just very simple to do. If you watch my previous videos, I also made a balloon column, but this time it is going to be a Winter Wonderland theme. I am going to do a white and light blue pearl colors with a snowflake foil balloon topper. So yeah, let's dig into our supplies and let's see how many balloons that we are going to use for this balloon color. Okay guys, so here are the supplies that I am going to use. I have here a white pearl balloons and a light blue pearl balloons. So I bought all of this from online. It's called balloons.online. So yeah, so each pack comes with 50 balloons, and it says here 11" in size. So, oh, by the way, this is a Caribbean Blue. And yeah, and this one, and it's a snowflake foil balloon that will go to the top of our balloon tower. So I am going to use water weight for the tower. So for my balloon column, I always use 3 water weights. I am going to include a link in the description box below, so feel free to check it out. And I am also using my knitting yarn to tie all my balloons, since I am not going to use any balloon column stand. Okay guys, so we are going to inflate our balloons with 9 to 10 inches big. Tie both balloons and make a duplet or a pair. Create one more pair or duplet to make a quad. Remember to inflate your balloons for about 9 to 10 inches big only. In making the quad, attach both pairs of balloon by twisting them to secure. Now, let's inflate our foil balloon. Take your balloon water weight and attach your knitting yarn by tying it onto your water weight. Get your first balloon cluster or quad and attach your water weight by inserting it in the middle of the quad and pulling it to secure. Wrap your ribbon or knitting yarn around the quad twice or 3 times to secure the balloons. Now take your second quad or cluster of balloons, place it on top of your first cluster, and make sure that you are placing them on the right color to make a spiral design. Then, let's stack all the rest of our balloon clusters to make the column. Take a string to attach or tie to your foil balloon. In my case, I always like to use twisting balloon or a 260Q in order to secure the balloon properly. Now, let's attach our foil balloon on top of our balloon tower. Insert the string or your twisting balloon in the middle of your balloon cluster and then tie it to secure.